In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Asana when invited. Let's walk through this together from the very beginning, so you know exactly what to expect and what to click. This will be especially helpful if you're new to Asana or you don't often accept project invitations by email. First, you'll want to open the email account where you received the invitation. This is the same email address that your teammate or manager used when they sent you the Asana invite. Make sure you're logged into the correct inbox, especially if you manage more than one email account for work and personal use. Once you're in your inbox, look for a message from Asana. The subject line often includes something like an invitation to join a workspace, a project, or a team. If you don't see it right away in your main inbox, check folders like updates, promotions, or even your spam or junk folder, just in case it was filtered there by mistake. You can also use the search bar and type Asana to quickly locate the email. After you've found the invitation email, go ahead and open it. Inside, you'll see a message letting you know that someone has invited you to collaborate in Asana. There should be a clear button or link that says Accept Invite. This is the key action you need to take to join. Click on the Accept Invite button. This will open a new browser tab or window and take you directly to Asana. If you already have an Asana account associated with that email, you might be taken straight into the workspace or asked to log in. Just sign in with your existing credentials and you'll be connected to the project or team you were invited to. If you don't yet have an Asana account with that email, Asana will guide you through a quick setup process. Typically, you will be asked to confirm your name, create a password, and agree to the terms. Follow the on-screen prompts until you see the project or workspace appear. From there, you'll be able to view tasks, see who you're working with, and start collaborating right away. And that's all there is to it. By opening your email, finding the Asana invitation, and clicking Accept Invite, you'll successfully join the workspace or project you were invited to and be ready to